Oftentimes I've heard preachers and I've heard Christians say we need to go back to the church. We need to go back to the way the church in the Acts chapter 3, chapter 4, chapter 5, how they did things. But they forget that the church in Acts chapter 3, 2, 3, and 4, all the way to 6, was actually a baby church. The church of Jesus Christ today has grown. That church is full of power, is full of knowledge, is full of wisdom. And we have learned and grown in the use of the authority in the name of Jesus. God doesn't want you to remain small. He wants you to grow in knowledge and wisdom. Study today's Rhapsody realities and discover that the church indeed is a triumphant church. Sponsor Rhapsody. Use the link on the post and sponsor Rhapsody today. You have a great day. I love you. God bless you. Bye-bye.